Hello and welcome to supportnumber1.com. Today we are going to learn how to install a WordPress inside a server with a cPanel. First thing we do is log on to www.wordpress.org and click on download WordPress. And you can see the latest version of WordPress is 4.8.1, and save the zip file onto your local system. And once the download is over, we have to log on to the server with the cPanel. You can see the screenshot of a cPanel login. You have to authenticate by entering the username and password of your server, and getting into the home page of your server, please click File Manager. Here we can see a lot of directories and files. Particularly we have to select public_HTML directory, where we host all the files inside that directory. Now, getting into public_HTML directory, we can locate an upload option on topmost part of the screen. Can you see that? Please choose upload button and upload the WordPress file onto the directory named public_HTML. Once we choose the file, we can see the uploader progress bar, and the progress bar reaches 100%. Let's get back to the public_HTML directory. So we can locate the zip file over public_HTML directory, and we can right click on the zip file, press the option extract. Well, now extracting the contents of the zip file, we can see the WordPress directory onto the present working directory. Please locate the WordPress directory. Well, now we have uploaded the WordPress contents onto our server. Now it's time to create a database for the particular WordPress application which we are going to integrate with the server. So now, choosing MySQL database from the home screen of the control panel, we can create a database, type the database name and press create database button. And the next step, what we do is create a new database user for that particular database. Please enter the database name, username, and create a strong password. Password type password again. Check the strength of the password and click on create user button. Now we have created the database and database users, and the next step what we do is we add that user to the corresponding database. So what we do is scroll down and see the option of add user to database. Select the user, select the database and click add button. While we do that, it will ask for the privileges of the user to the database. Please check all privileges need to be checked and click on make changes button. After that, we go for a browser and type the domain name slash the directory name. On here case, we choose WordPress is the directory name. Type the domain name slash the directory name. You will get the screen like this. So here is the WordPress wizard starts. The first step of the WordPress is to choose the language. So we choose English United States. We can choose your language, and then comes the configuration wizard of WordPress. Here we have to enter the database name, database username, and its password, and the database host. So that mainly what we have entered on the control panel, we make a note of it and we enter the corresponding values over here. So click on Let's Go. So we get the screen like this. You have to enter the database name. You have to enter the username of the database. You have to enter the password, which is confidential, but you can enter it in here. This is the configuration wizard of WordPress. Now we choose the last two fields, database host and table prefix. We do not alter that. And clicking on submit. And now we have to run the wizard. Please click on run the install. We get the welcome screen. We need to enter the site name, site title, whatever may be the site title may be. In our case, we are just typing the dummy site title, example.com, and username. You can enter the username, create a strong password, and attach your email with the configuration so that you can get the newsletters, you can get the updates, and you can get the configuration through the email. And click on install WordPress. Well, as we install the WordPress, we can get the screen success. So please make a note of the username and password of the configuration and click on login. This will be the login panel of WordPress. This is the final step. You have reached the conclusion, and this is how we install WordPress onto our server. Thanks for watching this video. Please log on to supportnumber1.com and give your valuable suggestions.